Sydney, come here. Treats.
Sydney, garbage.
Sydney, get the water bottle. Sydney, get the water bottle. Get it, go get it. That's my doggy.
I'm gonna follow that path right there.
Jonathan, what's in that bag? I dare you to open it. Alright, watch this. So she'll go after the peels, but not the orange. So stupid. Sydney, come here.
JD, I think there's a crocodile right there.
Sydney. Sydney, look.
Yeah, JD, go up the path. Go up the path.
Peels. Go get the peels.
Sydney, get it.
You missed the other one. That's the water bottle. Sydney, catch. Nope, you were supposed to catch. All right, ready? With the orange. You got it.
She's right, it's right there, Sydney. Go get the orange.
Sydney, swim.
Orange, go get it, Sydney. You dumb dog. This is a terrible orange, Sydney.
Noel, push your brother in the water.
No.
You got it. You got it finally. Ready? Get the whole thing.
Good girl.
Oh my God, get the orange.
Sydney, get JJ.
Everything's so wet. I'm done. I don't have any more oranges. They got
Are
dog
you having
treat.
fun, weirdo?
You want a dog treat?
JJ, go up that path again.
What path? This path?
That one.
That one?
That one.
I got a dog treat in my pocket. I don't know why.
I don't know. Make the dog chase
Look,
you.
I have a dog treat in my pocket.
Hold on.
Jump the grass, Sydney. Jump the grass. Sydney, treats. Sydney, treats. I got a treat. You want a treat? Oh, frick you. Sydney, treat. Sydney, smell the treat.
Sydney, get that guy. JJ, go the other way. Other way, through the grass. She loves running through grass.
Sydney, treats. Treats. Go get it. It's in the grass. Oh, you dumb dog.
Come on, Sydney.
Bye. Hasta luego. Do you have anything in your pockets?
Sydney, get him. No, not my phone.
What do you have in here?
I mean, I have my credit cards.
What do you have in here?
I don't know, a bag to pick up her
We should
shit.
have bought more oranges. We should have bought a bag full of oranges.
Sydney,
Hey,
Sydney, bounce.
I want to hear that language.
Sydney, bounce.
Hey, Sydney, do you want a stick? Oh my God. How big is this stick?
Sydney, get the snake. Sydney, eat the snake.
There is no snake.
There's some crocodiles out there. Look at your brother's got a stick for a wiener.
Throw it for Sydney.
Sydney, stick.
Throw it over there for Sydney. Sydney, you want a stick? Sydney, we got treats. Want treats? Sydney, get the stick. Get the stick. Go get it. You missed it.
Watch out.
Struggled. Throw it in the water for her. I swear, if she doesn't get this,
Throw it in the
I'll
water.
slap her.
Throw it in the water.
Get it, Sydney.
Do the stick.
Yeah, I'm trying to pick it up. She tried. Didn't succeed, but she tried. I'm gonna get that.
She runs after JJ. Sydney, bounce.
Fuck. Why is this thing not going?
John, I want you to help me get that brick over there. John. John.
No.
Oh, I got the heck it up. I think I can get this stick out of the water. At the ground. Hi, dog. Where is she going? Jump into the grass. Jonathan, jump into the grass. It's like this, Jonathan. Get him, get him. like Sydney. Get him, get it, get him.
No.
I'll walk in like I waited and I shook my
Cindy.
Okay, we're